Ma'am, me first.
Mataji, the line that you have shown on the screen.
So that is Mangalacharan prayers.
Yes, Mataji, can we all say them?
Okay, you say, you all want to say, you can say along with me. Okay?
Okay, Mataji. Mataji, was staying mute or unmute?
Sorry? You can
Mataji, can we
Mataji, can Dakshita say Mangalacharan?
Yes. You can say.
Ma'am, I want to say the second one.
Okay, you can say whichever you want to say, you can unmute and say along with me. Okay? Chalo, come on, let us start.
Om Ajnani
Namo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama.
Guys. Okay, thank you so much for reciting Mangalacharan prayers with me. So next time you can remember that we can be in symphony. सब एक साथ एक लाइन बोलेंगे नहीं तो एकदम.
Is this chanting today, Mataji?
Yeah, we are going to chant.
I want to start with the story.
Okay, so actually I think we're chanting. Okay, no worries. We will start with the shloka directly. Okay, no problem. Just 1 second.
Yatha katamano nyatra
Are we going to learn today new shlokas?
Karma bandhana
loko yam karma bandhana dad artham karma no nyatra mukta sankas samachara.
Okay, chalo. So everyone unmute and repeat after me. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Repeat after me. Okay. So this is 1 second. So this is revision of the shloka competition. Okay. So revision of
Bhagavad Gita mein
that are
kya
part of the competition. Okay. Come on.
I'm connected to this.
Repeat after me.
यज्ञार्थात्
कर्मणो नेत्र
कर्मणो नेत्र
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणो नेत्र
कर्मणो नेत्र
लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः
लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः
लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः
तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय
तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय
मुक्त संगसमाचर
समाचार.
What does this mean? Whoever wants to chant will only raise your hands. Please don't unmute. Okay, beta? So just raise your hand. Raise your hand. I'll give you a chance. Raise your hand. So what does this shloka mean? Only learning, सिर्फ याद करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, श्लोका का मीनिंग भी तो समझना चाहिए ना. So भगवान क्या कह रहे हैं, that whatever we do, right, whatever we cook food, whatever we cook, or whatever activities that we do, whatever money we earn, yeah, so we should offer our fruits to Krishna, right? So if we cook something, we should think, whether Krishna will like it or not, yeah. Or even if we buy something, we buy new clothes, we get a Cadbury, we should first offer it to Krishna. Clothes also should be offered to Krishna. Whatever we do, okay, we should offer it to Krishna. And that is also he's saying, and then you will not incur sin. अगर आप खुद के लिए लाओगे, होटल में से लाओगे और खुद ही खा लोगे, या कैडबरी लाओगे खुद ही खा लोगे, तो कृष्ण है saying then you are incurring sin, तो आप पाप, you will आपको पाप लगेगा. लेकिन आप अगर ध्यान रखोगे कि नहीं, अगर मैं नए कपड़े ला रहा हूँ, अगर मैं कुछ कमा के ला रहा हूँ, स्मॉल पोर्शन आई गिव इट टू कृष्णा, I am cooking something, I'll give it to Krishna. Whatever I do, if I offer it to Krishna, Krishna becomes very happy. Okay, so like if your auntie gives you a big Cadbury, okay, if your auntie gives a big Cadbury and you bring the Cadbury and you show to your father, see, I got this Cadbury, yeah, and what you do, you take a small piece of that Cadbury and you offer it to your father. अगर आप अपने पिताजी को, पापा को एक छोटा सा पीस दोगे, पापा क्या करेंगे, बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे. ऐसे नहीं कि पापा को कैडबरी चाहिए, लेकिन आप पापा को छोटा सा भी पीस दोगे तो पापा कितने खुश हो जाएंगे. एग्जैक्टली द सेम वे कृष्णा डोंट नीड, कृष्णा को जरूरत नहीं है आपसे कुछ भी लेने की, लेकिन आप छोटा सा कुछ भी कृष्णा को ऑफर करोगे, कृष्णा को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. फिर आप कृष्णा के से एकदम यू विल बिकम वेरी क्लोज टू कृष्णा, राइट. सो दैट इज व्हाट कृष्णा इज सेइंग. लेकिन आप अगर नहीं दोगे, जैसे आपने दिखाया, पापा ये देखो मुझे कैडबरी दी आंटी ने, लेकिन आप खुद ही खोल के खुद ही खा लोगे, तो क्या होगा, देन यू आर इनकरिंग सिन, राइट. तो आपको पाप लगेगा, राइट. एग्जैक्टली दिस इज व्हाट मींस. ओके, सो यस, हु वांट्स टू से, माय गॉड, सो मेनी हैंड्स अप. यस कबीर.
Mataji,
यस,
we can also offer half piece of the chocolate also, or half piece of anything.
yes. See, Krishna is not going to eat it, right? You offer it to Krishna, Krishna will give his blessings on it, and then you will only eat the full thing, no?
Oh, that we offer bhoga to the Lord, then we can eat it.
Yes, of course.
Oh.
Okay.
Mataji,
Say this shloka. Yes, Mara, you can say this shloka.
may I sing the song?
No, this shloka. Yajnarthat karma.
Yoga. यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणो यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धना तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर.
Very nice. Yes, Shrihan.
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणो यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर.
Very good. Yes, Dakshita. Yes, Dakshita.
Okay. Yajñāṭāt karmano yatra yajñāṭāt karmano yatra lokoyam karma bandhanaha lokoyam karma bandhanaha.
Can one say the slow?
Tadvartham
Karmano
karma kaunteya
karma konteya tad arkam karma konteya
mukta sangha samachara.
mukto sangha samachara.
Very nice, Dakshita. Yes, Aditya.
Yes, Mataji. Yagnathat karmano netra lokoyam karma bandhanaha tad artam karma kaunteya mukta samachara.
Very nice. Yes, Mahir.
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणो अन्यस्य लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धना तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर.
Very nice, very good. Tisha also wants to say?
No.
Okay, no problem. अच्छा, इसका मीनिंग कौन बताएगा? चलो.
If we buy a new cloth, first you think to wear it, but we say no. First we offer it to Krishna.
Yes. And what happens that if we just wear it, then what will happen?
Krishna will get happy if we offer it.
Yeah. Very nice. Very good, Dakshita. Yes, Shrihan.
Ma'am, we have to offer our food, like half part of our food as a bhojana to the Vishnu, and we have to sacrifice, like when we buy new clothes, then we have to get new clothes if our clothes are old. And then we offer it to Krishna. Then Krishna will be happy that you have offered Krishna your clothes, and your clothes will be like a prasadam.
तो आप जो भी लाओगे ना सब कृष्णा को ऑफर कर सकते हो. आप अगर पिज्जा लेके आए तो कृष्णा को पिज्जा ऑफर करो, या आप कैडबरी लेके आए तो कैडबरी ऑफर करो, कपड़े लेके आए तो कपड़े ऑफर करो, आप पढ़ाई भी करोगे तो सोचो कि नहीं कृष्णा वांट्स मी टू बिकम इंटेलिजेंट, सो पढ़ाई भी कृष्णा के लिए करो. श्लोका भी लर्न कर रहे होगे तो नहीं
We can also offer toy, everything.
Yes, absolutely. Toy also you buy, you offer it. Just one second. So even if you what I was saying, so पढ़ाई भी करनी है, श्लोका भी लर्न करना है कि हाँ श्लोका में लर्न करूंगी तो कृष्णा खुश हो जाएंगे, है ना. मैं वीडियो भेजूंगी तो कृष्णा खुश हो जाएंगे. सो एवरीथिंग कृष्णा के लिए, कृष्णा के लिए, कृष्णा के लिए. अगर आप ऐसे करोगे तो कृष्णा बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे आपको. ओके. Yes, Shrihan, you were saying something.
Ma'am, I was telling that if someone likes meat, so they bring meat. But if we offer it to Krishna, Krishna doesn't eat it because he only eats veg.
तो जस्ट इमेजिन अ सिचुएशन. ओके, आप अपने पापा के साथ, आप तो छोटे से हो, आपके पापा बहुत टॉल है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बहुत पावरफुल है. लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. आप अपने पापा के साथ, योर पापा इज वेरी पावरफुल, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, ओके, बिग स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टाउट मैन. आप अपने पापा के साथ बाहर जा रहे हो, है ना, और एक सामने से कोई बंदा आता है और आपके सामने आता है और आपको एक झापड़ मारता है, जोर से झापड़ मारता है, आप गिर जाते हो. आपके पापा क्या करेंगे?
हम उनको मारेंगे.
उनको मारेंगे? छोड़ेंगे उनको?
नहीं
छोड़ेंगे. राइट. पापा उसको एक फाइट मारेंगे. ऐसे कैसे मारेंगे? राइट. सो नाउ the goat or the small hen is a child of Krishna. अगर उसको कोई काटता है और खाता है तो कृष्णा को पसंद आएगा? कृष्णा के फादर कौन है? अब ये गोट और चिकन और सबके फादर कौन है? कृष्णा है. अगर उनको कोई हर्ट करता है,
Krishna's child only, so he cannot eat.
What will Krishna do? अगर आपके पापा को सहन नहीं हो रहा है कि मेरे बच्चे को ऐसे मारा, क्यों मारा, तो अगर कृष्णा के बच्चे को कोई मार रहा है तो कृष्णा क्या करेंगे? गुस्सा हो जाएंगे.
Punish him.
इसके लिए हमको, अगर हमारी आदत भी है तो धीरे धीरे वो आदत हमको कम करनी है और इवेंचुअली नहीं खाना है. ओके, क्योंकि कृष्णा को नहीं पसंद है. हम सब कृष्णा के बच्चे हैं, whether it is animal, whether it is trees, whether it is every living being is a child of Krishna. तो जैसे हमारे पापा को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आएगा हमारे बेटे को अगर कोई मारता है, तो उनके बेटे को अगर कोई मारता है, तो exactly the same way Krishna will not like any of his children being trouble. Okay?
Ma'am, are we going to the avatar?
Okay, so yes, we are going lot of stories today. Okay, चलो आप ये श्लोका करो. Okay, next श्लोका. Come on, everyone, repeat after me. इष्टान भोगान हि वो देवा.
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 दास्यन्ते यज्ञ भावितः.
दास्यन्ते यज्ञभावितः
दास्यन्ते यज्ञ भावितः
दास्यन्ते यज्ञभावितः
निर्दातानप्रादेभ्यो निर्दातानप्रादेभ्यो तेस्तेन इव सः
यो भुङ्क्ते
तेन एव च इष्टान् भोगान् वो देवा दास्यन्ते
यो भुङ्क्तेस्तेन इव सः
यो भुङ्क्ते
यो भुङ्क्ते तेन एव च
Very nice. Now what does this shloka mean? Okay, so ये श्लोका का अर्थ ये है कि सारे जो डेमिगॉड्स है जैसे सूर्य देव, इंद्र देव, वायु देव, है ना, ये सारे जो भगवान हैं ये सारे दे आर ऑल वर्किंग अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा. तो ये सब कृष्णा के अंडर काम कर रहे हैं. तो सूर्य देव, अग्निदेव वो भी है ना, ये सारे कृष्णा के अंडर काम कर रहे हैं. तो हम लोग भी करते हैं. अगर हम लोग सैक्रिफाइस में अगर हम लोग अगर ये हमारे हम दे ऑल सप्लाई various things to us, like Indradev they supply us water, Chandradev they give juices to the fruits and vegetables. We should be grateful, right? We should be grateful to all the demigods, and we should be grateful to Krishna that Krishna is giving us all these facilities, yeah, for us to use. He is giving us good food, he is giving us rains, he is giving us sunlight, everything. So we should be thankful to Krishna for all this. And how is he giving? He is giving through demigods. So ये सारे जो अलग अलग भगवान हैं उनके थ्रू हमको ये बारिश देते हैं, सनलाइट आती है, ये सब उनके थ्रू आती है, राइट? सो दे आर ऑल एजेंट्स ऑफ कृष्णा. ओके, चलो. यस यस श्रीहन.
Can I tell this shloka?
Yes.
इष्टान् भोगान् हि वो देवा दास्यन्ते यज्ञभावितः दैरत्तनप्रदायैभ्यो यो भुङ्क्ते तेन एव सः.
Very nice. Yes, दक्षिता. चलो सब बच्चे, सभी लोग सुन रहे हैं. यू कैन ऑल ट्राई. इट इज ओके. आपको सही एकदम ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है तो सभी बच्चे ट्राई कर सकते हैं. श्लोका में तो सब लोग कंपटीशन में पार्ट ले रहे हो ना, तो यहीं पे प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी आपकी. यस दक्षिता.
ओके. इष्टान् भोगानि यो देवा, इष्टान् भोगानि यो देवा
दास्यन्ते
यज्ञभावितः दास्यन्ते यज्ञभावितः
तद्दातानप्राद्येभ्यो
तदर्थान् पादेभ्यो योगो
यो भुङ्क्तेस्तेन इव सः.
योगो तेस्तेन
इव सः. वेरी नाइस. यस आदित्य. Come on, Shubhashri, Keshav, Mahir, come on, you can all raise your hands. Yes, Aditya.
तान् भोगान् हि वो देवा दास्यन्ते यज्ञभावितः तैर्दत्तन् अप्राध्यायेभ्यो यो भुङ्क्ते एव सः.
Yeah. Yes, Swara, can you tell the meaning? आपको इसका मीनिंग पता है? Anyone can tell the meaning. चलो.
Dakshita.
I know the meaning, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yes, Swara.
I know the meaning too.
1 second, Dakshita.
That means if we bring something like clothes or food, first we should offer it to Krishna. If we don't offer it to Krishna, then it will bad things will happen.
Yeah, but you can see the picture. आप पिक्चर को देख के मीनिंग बताओ. इसके लिए मैंने पिक्चर रखा है वहाँ पे. पिक्चर देख रहे हो आप?
Everything Krishna gives.
Okay, चलो. So just hold on. Let us see what Dakshita wants to say. Come on, सभी लोग.
Ma'am, are we moving the story?
Yes. In another 2-3 minutes. Yes, Dakshita.
Okay. Indra, Vishnu, Brahma, all of them all the demigods works under Krishna's
Very nice, very nice. A big Haribol to
vision.
a big Haribol to Dakshita. Haribol. Everyone can unmute. Big Haribol.
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 What is Dakshita saying? Yes, Dakshita. Come on, go ahead.
Haribol.
Was saying that Brahma, wind god, every demigod works under Krishna's supervision.
Very nice. Yes. So if we are not, so the thing is that, they offer us supplies. Like rain we get from Indra. From Surya Deva we get sunlight, right? So they are all supplying to us. How are they supplying? Because Krishna is telling them to supply it to us. So because they are supplying us, if we do not offer things to Krishna, then we are a thief. हम लोग चोर हैं. अगर हम लोग कृष्णा को ऑफर नहीं करते हैं तो, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
are we moving to story?
Yes, now last shloka. Okay, ये सबका meaning यही है, more or less. Come on, everyone unmute. This is the last shloka. Yadnashishta Repeat after me, otherwise there will be a lot of chaos. Yadnashishta sina santo. Very nice. Muchyante sarva kilbishai. Repeat after me, okay, beta? Muchyante sarva kilbishai. Come on, everyone, unmute and say along with me. After me. Bhunjate te tu agam papam. Bhunjate te tu agam papo. Ye pachanti atma karana. Right. So the devotees, what this means कि हम जो सारे devotees हैं, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? हम जो भी खाते हैं, हम पहले कृष्णा को ऑफर करते हैं, फिर ही हम लोग खाते हैं. पिक्चर से आपको पता चलेगा इसका मीनिंग क्या है. ओके? हाँ, hands raised, very nice. Yes, Mahir.
Ma'am, I want to move to soul.
Yes, Kabir. Yes, Mahir.
Ma'am, and Kesam. Papa, ye Sandhi Atma Karanath.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, after that, Swara. Gautam, you also want to say? Yes, Swara. Rohan, you don't want to say today?
Mataji.
Yes, Swara, come on, fast.
Yagnasista sinachando muchyante sarva kilpishai bunjadete tvagam papo epashantatma karanat.
Very nice. Yes, Shrihan. Come on, Shubhashri, everyone should say.
Sinasanto muchyante sarva kilpishai
Aradhya, what happened?
tvagam papa epachantyatma karanat.
Very nice. Yes, Gautam, you want to say?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, you can unmute, you can show your picture to us. We would like to see you. Are you added to the group?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, Mataji.
Okay, ठीक है. चलो बोलो. Good.
Yajna sistas sinasanto muchyante sarva kilbisai bunjate te tvagam papo ye pasanti atma karnat.
Arnath, very nice, very nice. Rohan, you don't want to say today? Rohan,
Thank you,
Aradhya.
Mataji.
Okay, चलो इसका मीनिंग कौन बताएगा?
Dakshita.
Okay, चलो दक्षिता. Yes.
Thing I want to say.
Whatever food we
Mataji.
Yes, Dakshita, you can mute.
Mataji, Rohan wants to say.
I also
Okay,
want
okay.
to say the meaning.
Can Rohan say?
Mataji, are we moving to story?
Yes, 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 Rohan, you can say, and after the Shubhashri can explain the meaning. Yes.
Mataji.
Come on, start. What happened, Rohan? Okay, Shubhashri, you can say the meaning. Tell me the meaning. Yes.
Mataji, I want to say the meaning.
Yeah, tell me the meaning. No problem.
Whatever we make food, before we eat, we need to offer it to all the demigods and Krishna.
Very nice. Very good. So you know what? Actually, we there is no need to offer to demigods, but yes, you can offer to demigods. ऐसे नहीं कि offer नहीं करना चाहिए. Offer करना चाहिए, लेकिन कृष्णा को पहले offer करना चाहिए. Right?
Mataji, can Rohan say now?
क्योंकि एक मिनट है, just 1 second ना, क्योंकि पता है शुभ why I am saying this, अगर आपके साथ प्राइम मिनिस्टर है और अगर आपके साथ कोई MP है या तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को पहले ऑफर करोगे, कुछ गिफ्ट लाओगे तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को पहले दोगे, राइट? MP को बाद में दोगे, तो सबसे बड़ा है उसको तो पहले देना पड़ेगा ना, नहीं तो फिर उसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. तो इसके लिए first you should offer it to Krishna, and yes, then you can offer it to demigods. Not a problem. Okay?
Okay,
Mataji, can Rohan speak now?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Yajna shishtasana santo मुख्यांते सर्व किबिस है बुझानते तब अघम पाप ये पचांति आत्मा करंदत.
Yeah, very nice. So मैंने आज इसके लिए श्लोका का ज्यादा लिया क्योंकि अभी आपकी कंपटीशन है तो आपका रिवीजन हो जाएगा. So you can get familiar to the words. इसके लिए
Mataji, I want to say this shloka.
Okay, yes, sure.
Mataji,
Yes, teacher.
I stand for 9.
Very nice, Keshav. Yes, teacher.
यज्ञशिष्टोषिनासन्तो मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषे भुज्यते त्वगं पापा ये पचन्ति आत्मकारणात्.
Very nice, very good. Okay, so now we will move to the story. अच्छा, this I have to skip. हाँ, your favorite friend, Ravana.
No way, not our favorite trend.
So then you should stop behaving like Ravana at home. So then he is not your favorite friend. हमको कितना गुस्सा आता है, हम कितना हट करते हैं, हम कितने जिद्दी बच्चे हैं, या हम एकदम अच्छे बच्चे हैं क्या? अगर जब भी हम लोग जिद करते हैं ना तो याद करने का, अच्छा मैं तो भी रावण बन रहा हूँ. अगर मम्मी डैडी पे चिल्लाते हैं, हाँ अभी मैं रावण बन गया हूँ. अभी हट करते, नहीं मेरे को एक फिल्म अभी चाहिए, नहीं मेरे को अभी बाहर ही जाना है, नहीं मेरे को यही खाना है, तो समझ लो कि मैं रावण बन गया अभी.
Ravana with 10 heads and no brains.
और जैसे हम लोग दिन भर कितने बार रावण बनते हैं, है ना? कितने बार?
Over 100 times.
Exactly that point. तो फिर रावणा से हम तो कितना रिलेट करते हैं, राइट?
Ravana had 10 heads, but in those 10 heads he had no brain.
Exactly, लेकिन हमारा एक हेड है, लेकिन इतने कृष्णा की भक्ति करते हैं तो इतना बड़ा ब्रेन है. तो वो ब्रेन, वो इंटेलिजेंस हमको यूज करना है कि ताकि हम लोग दिन भर रावणा की
Mataji, is this the question? Ravana has many 10 heads but no brains.
No, this is not a question. So now we are going to move to Ravana. Okay. So I wanted to tell you कि हम लोग दिन में बहुत बार रावणा की तरह बिहेव करते हैं. हमारा इतना अच्छा इंटेलिजेंस भगवान ने हमको दिया है. So we should use that intelligence.
I don't love.
Even I don't like Ravana. तो आप जब भी रावणा जैसे बिहेव करते तो मम्मी डैडी को भी पसंद नहीं आता. अरे कितना जिद्दी, अरे सुन लो बेटा, नहीं मेरे को चाहिए, है ना? हम ऐसे करते, I want this. So we become very adamant And then we became like Ravana, and then what happens, you will see. Okay, then what happens, you will see. Okay, so Ravana wanted to become a very powerful person. Okay, उसको बहुत powerful बनना था. So what he did, he meditated on Brahma. Okay, Brahma पे he meditated on Brahma. उसको what he wanted to become immortal. मतलब कभी भी ना मरे. So he wanted to become immortal. So what he did is, he did so much austerity he did austerity कि अपना सर है ना 10 एक बार काटा, ऑफर कर दिया, और एक बार काटा, ऑफर वापस ब्रह्मा जी सर काटते थे, वो रावण सर काटता था, ब्रह्मा जी used to help him and he used to get head again he used to chop off his head again and offer it to the sacrifice, again he used to get a new head. So Brahma ji is wondering, oh my god, so much tapasya he is doing, baap re. So then Brahma ji became very happy with him, और ब्रह्मा जी आ गए नीचे, अपने विमान पे आ गए नीचे. ब्रह्मा जी बोले, my dear Ravana, what do you want? So he said, I want to become immortal. मैं कभी भी नहीं मरना चाहता हूँ. So ब्रह्मा जी कहते हैं, अरे आप ये क्या कह रहे हो? I also have to die one day. No one can be immortal. So he said, even the gods, demons, everyone is immortal. So everyone is mortal. Everyone will die one day. So he said, no. So I want to become immortal. He said, I cannot give you that boon. ये तो मैं आपको वरदान नहीं दे सकता, क्योंकि मैं खुद मरने वाला हूँ, तो मैं कैसे आपको वरदान दे दूँ? So he said, okay, so give me that boon, that I will not be killed by any demons or not be killed by any god. कोई भी भगवान है, कोई भी demon मुझे नहीं मार पाए. So I said, हाँ, that I can do. That I will help you. So what he does is he gives a amrut. Okay, छोटे इसमें अमृत देते हैं, and that amrut he keeps it in his navel. नाभि होती है ना, वहाँ पे अमृत दे देते हैं. He said, if this amrut is broken, then you will die. Okay, so then he said, okay, no problem. So like you know, Ravana, he was a very very knowledgeable. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान था. He was very powerful, right? But he always used to misuse it. वो हमेशा उसका.
He can also teach people.
Sorry?
If he's so intelligent, he can also teach people.
He can also teach people, no?
Yes, because
Right.
he's so
So,
intelligent.
for example, I will give you an example. Now you all have the knowledge that anytime you get anything, you should offer to Krishna. Right? So you have this knowledge, you have this intelligence. Now, if you don't apply your intelligence and you don't apply your knowledge, then what will happen? You are behaving like a Ravana. Exactly the same way, we have all the intelligence. Ravana had all the intelligence. उसको बहुत knowledge था, लेकिन वो knowledge use ही नहीं करता था. Okay, उसको powerful बना था, बहुत greedy था. उसको powerful बनना था.
बहुत लालची था.
तो उसने क्या किया? उसने ना, उसको एकदम powerful बनना था. तो उसने क्या किया? कुबेरा के साथ जाके, कुबेरा who is the treasurer of all the gods. Okay, कुबेरा is like finance minister. He is the treasurer of all the gods. तो उसके पास एक पुष्पक विमान था. वो पुष्पक विमान कैसे होता है पता है? So like you, when you are sitting in a taxi, you will tell the driver, no, where to go. तो पुष्पक विमान ऐसा था कि आपके मन में जो भी आए कि अरे आज मुझे दिल्ली जाना है. Okay, so that पुष्पक विमान will understand what is there in your mind and it will take you to Delhi. नहीं, मुझे अंडमान निकोबार
He want to go to Brahmaloka.
हाँ, so he will take you to Brahmaloka. That is Pushpak Viman. He'll understand that what is there in your mind and it will take you there. Yeah.
It has windows like aeroplane.
हाँ, it is like विमान only, no. और पुष्पक विमान की और एक स्पेशलिटी क्या पता है? तो अगर आपके पास 10 जन है तो वो छोटा हो जाएगा, लेकिन आपके पास 10 लाख लोग हैं तो वो बड़ा भी हो जाएगा.
पुष्पक विमान इज एरोप्लेन.
आपके पास 2 करोड़ लोग हैं तो और बड़ा हो जाएगा. तो आपको जितना बड़ा करना है वो ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ता जाएगा. ओके, and it can accommodate unlimited people. Then it is very beautiful. अंदर से सोना चांदी से different gems and pearls से सारा.
It's more beautiful than Indraloka.
So it is Indralok is different. It is a planet, but this is like a viman. Okay, so Indraloka is also beautiful. So the thing is,
And it can go in 1 minute.
Will the Pushpak Viman take us to Guloka?
we are on Bhuloka.
Guloka.
Bhuloka is earth only, no?
Krishna.
Acha, Goloka. No. Goloka it will not be. वो लोग का में एंट्री नहीं है, सबको एंट्री नहीं, सिर्फ आप जैसे डिवोटीज को ही एंट्री है। ओके, सो दैट इज द पुष्पक विमान। तो उसने क्या किया, कुबेरा का पुष्पक विमान, ही स्टोल द पुष्पक विमान, उसने चुरा लिया। अभी वो
He's like a
पुष्पक विमान, यस एब्सोल्युटली लाइक अ थीफ, राइट। सो फर्स्ट थिंग, नॉलेज होने के बाद उसने क्या किया, लाइक कबीर मेंशन्ड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, ही लाइक अ थीफ, he stole away the, he fought, actually stole nahi, he fought with Kubera and then he took it away from Kubera. So उसने वो ले लिया। फिर अभी बैठे हैं मस्त सारे विमान में, उसके सारे राक्षस जन और रावण जी बैठे हैं, और now they are going around the planets, huge, over the huge trees, beautiful valleys, waterfalls and beautiful lakes। ऐसे ऊपर से विमान जा रहा है उसका पुष्पक विमान, रावण जी मस्त बैठे हैं और पुष्पक विमान में सारी
with his army also, with his demon army.
yes, with his demon army वो जा रहे हैं। अभी जाते जाते क्या होता है कि they see a beautiful lady, okay, so this beautiful lady, she's sitting and she's meditating, वो अपनी तपस्या कर रही है। तो ये तो बहुत सुंदर लड़ी है, तो रावण जी को लगता है वाह शी इज सो ब्यूटीफुल, सो देन ही स्लोज डाउन हिज विमान, थोड़ा स्लो करते हैं, एंड ही टेल्स हिज विमेन टू वेट, उनको डीमंस को बोलते हैं आप रुको मैं थोड़ा जाके आता हूँ। तो देन रावण उतरते हैं नीचे, he goes to this lady and he says, who are you my beautiful lady? So he says this lady, then she opens her eyes, she was meditating, and then she slowly opens her eyes and then she says, I am Vedavati, daughter of sage Brahaspati, मैं वेदवती हूँ, बृहस्पति की कन्या हूँ, और मैं कैसे born हुई हूँ, I am born as incarnation of Vedas, right? My father brought numerous gods and celestial beings for my marriage. मेरे फादर ने बहुत सारे गॉड्स, डेमीगॉड्स और हेवनली लोगों को लेके आए कि ताकि I can I can marry for my marriage, but I only want to marry Vishnu, because she knew he wants to marry her. So Vedavati na, she had meditated for 1000 years. Okay, 1000 years को उसकी तपस्या की, and because she had meditated for 1000 years, she was looking very beautiful. Her skin has become like molten gold, and she realized कि रावणा की नजर ठीक नहीं है, Ravana's intention is not good. So Ravana, he is like enemy of Vishnu. Because he knew Vishnu is very powerful. So Ravana wanted to win over Vishnu. Oh lady, why are you wasting your time with Vishnu? Marry with me. I'll make you. I will take you to Lanka. It's a golden city, and you will live a nice, wonderful life there. Come, let us get married. Vedavati got very angry. She said, don't you understand? जो मैंने बोला आपको समझ नहीं आता, right? So Vedavati got very angry with him. So रावण, तो उसने वेदवती ने तो रावण को नहीं बोल दिया, तो रावण को बहुत गुस्सा आता है. Ravan says, how can you say no to me? Right? Now he is about to catch her. Right? So as she was about to catch her and she touched, he touched her. So then she recited a mantra. Okay, उसने एक मंत्र, because she had meditated for thousands of years, उसके पास वैसे भी बहुत पावर था. So she meditated a mantra, और उसने मंत्रा बोला, और रावण एकदम ऐसा शॉक लग रही है, एकदम पीछे पुश हो गए. Okay, she said, oh evil one, दुष्ट रावण, अभी तूने मुझे हाथ लगाया है, so I will leave this body. Okay, I cannot stay in this body because you have touched my body. So she said, oh evil one, now I will quit my body. So what did she do? She chanted some mantras and she generated fire, and then in that fire she left her body. But before leaving the body, she cursed that उसने उसको शाप दिया that because you have touched my body and because you have you disrespected me, right? Your entire race will be killed because of me. See, उसने क्या बोला, उसको कर्ज दिया कि तेरी सारी, your entire race, पूरे demons वाले सारे kids, everyone will get killed because of me. Right? So you remember सीता को जब ये लेके जाते हैं ना, see, everyone knows that Sita was kidnapped by Ravana. तो जो kidnap जो सीता होती है, वो actual सीता नहीं होती. Listen, this is very important. जो सीता kidnap होती है, that is not actual सीता, that is Vedavati.
This is not. That is not the actual Sita ji Mata.
That was not actual Sita Mata. क्योंकि जब भी वो सीता को लेके जाते हैं ना, ये जब भी पास टाइम होना होता है, सीता, because Sita is goddess of fortune. No one can touch goddess of fortune. राइट, वो तो लक्ष्मी देवी है, उसको कोई टच नहीं कर सकता। तो जब भी रावण उसको पकड़ के लेके जाता है तभी ये सीता चली जाती है और वेदवती आ जाती है उसके जगह पे। सो वेदवती अपीयर्स एज सीता, और रावण जो लेके जाता है वो वेदवती को लेके जाता है। और जो ये भी होता है ना, व्हाट यू से, अग्नि परीक्षा, सीता गिव्स अग्नि परीक्षा, नो, सो वेदवती passes that अग्नि परीक्षा। वो अग्नि परीक्षा के बाद वेदवती goes and goddess of fortune comes out। ये किसी को पता नहीं है। So this is a different thing, you know, you might not, all of you might not know। Okay, so that is why did this happen? क्योंकि वेदवती ने उसको शाप दिया था। क्या शाप दिया था? Your entire race will be killed because of me। राइट, सो तो रिमेम्बर दिस, जो सीता रावण लेके जाता है वो एक्चुअल सीता नहीं, वो वेदवती है, ये वाली वेदवती है। ओके, सो तो हम लोग कैसे ब्लेसिंग्स लेते हैं ना सबकी, तो रावण क्या करता था, सबके शाप लेता था, गलत काम करता था तो क्या होगा, शाप ही मिलेगा, ब्लेसिंग्स मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे। राइट, सो नाउ अभी वो जाते आगे, तो रावण आगे बढ़ते हैं, इससे कुछ मतलब नहीं है, तो बेकार औरत है। ओके, दैट इज व्हाट ही सेज, एंड ही जस्ट मूव्स अहेड। नाउ ही इज गोइंग ओवर द हिमालयास। ओके, अभी हिमालय से जा रहे हैं और पुष्पक विमान रुक जाता है। ओके, सडनली इट स्टॉप्स, मस्त जा रहा है, सडनली पुष्पक विमान स्टॉप्स, एंड देन हु कम्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम? नंदी कम्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम। नंदी सेज, वेयर आर यू गोइंग? He says that I want to cross this Kailash Parvat। He said, no, you cannot cross this Kailash Parvat। ये कैलाश पर्वत तो शिवा का अबोर्ड है, शिवा का घर है। यू कैन गो बैक, और बाजू से जाओ, आप ऊपर से नहीं जा सकते। रावण अल्लाह, यू आर द हु आर यू टू स्टॉप मी? ओ मंकी फेस्ड वन, है ना, मुझे कौन स्टॉप कर रहा है?
टीजिंग नंदी।
हट जाए यहाँ से। तो नंदी गॉट वेरी एंग्री। नंदी को ऐसे लगा, अरे यू आर इंसल्टिंग मी लाइक दिस। ही सेड, आप मुझे मंकी बोलते हो? एक इतनी बड़ी मंकी की सेना आएगी जो आपका पूरा डायनेस्टी वाइप ऑफ कर देगी। राइट, सो यू रिमेम्बर रामा, इसमें क्या होता है, पूरी वानर सेना होती है, वानर सेना से कौन, डिमन सारे राक्षस वानर सेना से लड़ते हैं, बराबर, और पूरी वानर सेना उनको हरा देती है। सो क्यों होता है ऐसा? क्योंकि रावणा को शाप मिला है ऐसा। राइट, तो रावणा कहता है, हाँ बाजू हो जा मेरे रास्ते से, और नंदी को ऐसे ढकल देता है। और क्या करता है रावणा, जो पुष्पक विमान से उतरते, एंड देन ही पुट्स हिज हैंड, लिसन वेरी केयरफुली, ही पुट्स हिज हैंड बिलो द कैलाश पर्वत, और उसको हिलाता है, कैलाश पर्वत को ऐसे हिलाता है। नाउ पार्वती इज सिटिंग
He
नेक्स्ट,
does it like it's a toy.
हाँ, इट्स लाइक अ टॉय, एग्जैक्टली। सो पार्वती इज सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू शिवा, तो एकदम वो गिर जाती है, क्योंकि एकदम ऐसे हिल गया ना पूरा माउंटेन, तो एकदम ऐसे गिर जाती है वो। सो उसको बहुत गुस्सा आता है। She said, what is this? I got so scared. My dear Lord, please see who is this? Please deal with this person. देखो कौन आया है। तो शिवा said, okay, don't worry, मैं जाके देखता हूँ। तो पार्वती उसको शाप देती है कि a woman will be cause of your death। क्या शाप देती है?
Ma'am, can you change it to the slide?
I have to change the slide. I don't think that slide has to change. No. This is on this slide. So he says that a woman will be, आपका जो मौत होगा एक स्त्री के कारण होगा, woman will be cause of your death। तो अभी क्या होता है, शिव जी देखते हैं कि अरे ये कैलाश पर्वत ऐसे हिला रहे हैं, तो शिव जी एकदम खड़े हो जाते हैं। शिवा stands up and what he does is he presses his leg। ओके, ऐसा थोड़ा सा लेग प्रेस कर देते हैं, तो पूरा एकदम क्या होता है, इसका हाथ तो माउंटेन के नीचे है। राइट, his hand is below the mountain, so he is like, it is hurting, he is not able to move his hand because Shiva is pressing the mountain from the top, and his Ravana's hand is below the mountain. So my hand is paining. So then he understands, then he recites all the prayers, Samaveda prayers in glorification of Lord Shiva, और इतना, then he says all the prayers. Shiva, he's like Ashutosh, he gets quickly pleased. He said, then Shiva, take it. He says, okay, I forgive you. Okay, अभी रावणा तो रावणा ही है, right? अभी इतना, so he is like such a big rascal. He says that, now he is happy. He knows Shiva is happy. He said, can you give me your Pushpapati weapon? मुझे आपका पुष्पपति weapon दोगे please? Shiva says, okay, take it. Go Baba, go from here. So then again Shiva, this Ravana takes his Pushpak Viman and again boards into this Pushpak Viman. Again he is traveling through the mountains, through the valleys, through the rivers. He is going in his Pushpak Viman, yeah, with all his Rakshasas, right? अभी आते हैं धरती पे. They reach Gurloka. वहां पे धरती पे एक अयोध्या they reach. Okay, listen very carefully. They reach अयोध्या. वहां पे कौन होते हैं? अरण्य करके किंग होते हैं. और अरण्य किंग के साथ देर बहुत लड़ाई करते हैं और अरण्य किंग को वो मार डालते हैं. अरण्य किंग also he also gives him a tough fight, right? लेकिन उसको मार देते. तो अरण्य किंग बोलते हैं कि अरण्य he also curses him. देखो इसी here. So he said that there will be soon a king who will wipe off your entire race. और कौन है वो king? Who is that king?
Ram.
Ram. There will be
Ram.
very nice. Very good. So there will be a king who will bite off your entire race. So जैसे अगर हम एग्जाम को जाते हैं तो माता पिता के पैर पड़ते हैं, right? We take blessings. So what blessings do we get? Yeah, okay, please do good in your exams. Yashashvi bhava. Be successful, right? Always stay happy. This is all we take blessings from when we touch feet of our grandparents, when we touch feet of our parents, uncle, auntie, chacha, chachi, right? So they give us these blessings. Ravana सबके यहाँ पे जा रहा है. Ravana क्या कर्ज ले रहा है? You will be killed. Your entire race will be killed by monkeys. A woman will be reason of your death. A king will be born who will wipe off your entire race. See what is happening when you take blessing. What is he collecting? He is collecting all the curses. है ना, सारे वो क्या कहते हैं, शाप. He is collecting all the curses. He is not collecting blessings. Correct, no? So that is what it is, right? So always remember, अगर हम बुरी चीजें करते हैं तो क्या होगा? लोग हमको अच्छे आशीर्वाद नहीं देंगे, है ना? बुरा, they will think bad about us, and then we will have to have we will suffer those consequences of those bad feelings of others. बराबर ना? तो हमको हमेशा सबसे अच्छा ही बिहेव करना है, तभी हमको सबके आशीर्वाद मिलेंगे. Just 1 second ना बेटा. लेकिन अब हमसे अगर हम लोगों से बुरी तरह बिहेव करेंगे तो क्या होगा? लोग हमारे बारे में भी बुरा ही सोचेंगे. अगर बुरा सोचेंगे तो then it affects us. Okay, so be very careful. Always be nice with everyone. लेकिन अगर कोई बुरा कर रहा है तो उसको तो फाइट देनी पड़ेगी, वो तो है, right? Yes, Swara, you had a question.
Mataji.
Yes.
Ravana is the second Janma of Jay and Vijay.
Yes. Absolutely. Very nice. So then अभी वापस पुष्पक विमान में बैठ जाते हैं. Now Ravana is going again over the Himalayas, over this planet to that planet, over the mountains, over the valleys, over the lakes. He's going. Now he went to heaven. Okay, स्वर्गलोक पहुंच गए वो. अभी स्वर्गलोक में उसने सुंदर अप्सराएं थी. And there he met one beautiful अप्सरा. उसका नाम था रंभा. वो रंभा किसकी वाइफ थी? नल कुबेर की वाइफ थी. अभी नल कुबेर की वाइफ इतनी सुंदर थी, he got attracted towards her, right? So she got so angry. She said that if you touch any woman, you will be dead. क्या कहती है वो? कि आपने अगर किसी वुमेन को हाथ लगाया अगेंस्ट हर विश, उसकी इच्छा के बिना अगर आपने उसको हाथ लगाया, यू विल बी डेड. सो यू ऑल रिमेम्बर कि सीता को रावण ने कहाँ रखा था? लंका में. बराबर. लंका में कहाँ रखा था?
एक गार्डन में रखा था.
अशोक वाटिका में रखा था, राइट? वेरी नाइस. सो गार्डन में रखा था, लेकिन वो तो किंग था, वो तो सीता को लेके आके शादी कर लेता उसके साथ. लेकिन उसने शादी क्यों नहीं की सीता से, या उसको अपने ही पैलेस में क्यों नहीं रखा?
Because he will be dead after that.
Exactly. Very nice. So you will have to.
Mataji, he had already touched the lady.
Yeah. So that was prior to this. That was before this. Now, if you touch a lady.
But he very bad.
Yes. But now, after this curse, if he touches a lady against her wish, right? Against her wish, then he will be dead. So that is why he took Sita along. but he could not, he did not marry Sita. Touch meaning if she, if she harasses a lady against her wish, then he will be dead. Okay. Yes. So then that was Rambha. फिर मिलते हैं किससे, फिर नारद मुनि कहते हैं अरे बाप रे बाप, इसको तो कुछ तो सिखाना पड़ेगा. तो कहते हैं नारद मुनि मीट सिंह. सो जब भी नारद मुनि जाते हैं, तो अरे नारद मुनि कम 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 कम, हैव अ सीट, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू हैव. ही गिव्स नारद मुनि नाइस प्लेस टू सिट एंड ऑल. सो नारद मुनि देन दे हैव अ नाइस टॉक विद ईच अदर. फिर नारद मुनि ही टेल्स रावणा, अरे माय डियर रावण, आप ये लोगों के पीछे क्यों पड़े हो, ये सब मारने का, भूलोक में क्यों लोगों को मारे, why are you killing human beings? You know what, anyway these human beings are going to die one day, and you are only killing them, so why you want to do that? See, you should fight with one who is equal to you. आपने ना यमराज से आपको फाइट करनी चाहिए. यमराज से ना सब लोग डरते हैं, है ना, तो सब लोग को यमराज लेके जाते हैं, तो लेकिन
because he is the god of death.
Exactly, तो आपको यमराज से फाइट करना चाहिए. तो कहते हैं हाँ आप बराबर बोल रहे हो. तो मतलब वो कहते हैं यमराज से फाइट करोगे ना, तो then you will be treated as powerful, so you should fight with यमराज. He said, आप सही कह रहे हो, ठीक है.
Because Narad Muni is playing a trick on Ravan.
हाँ, so now what he does is, yes,
Narad Muni trying to making Ravana more sinful.
No, so actually what happens is he was diverting his attention. आप लोगों के पीछे मत पड़ो. Yamraj is enemy is strong, no? So Yamraj can fight with him. So he will go to Bhulok and he will kill all the kings. He will kill all the people. So innocent people he will kill. So that is why he said, okay, don't kill these innocent people. He just diverted his attention, right? From doing sin, from
wants to be great.
क्योंकि बाकी एनिमी जो है वो तो इतना ही पापी था कि वो वैसे भी कुछ ना कुछ तो कांड करते ही रहता था.
And he wants to also be greater than Vishnu.
हाँ, exactly. So he was just diverting his attention. फिर गए यमलोक आके वापस विमान में बैठ गए और अपने जा रहे यमलोका में. अभी यमलोका गए, अरे बाप रे, ये देखो कुछ लोगों को तो गरम गरम तेल में डाल रहे हैं, कुछ लोगों को तो ऐसे अपना रेजर के जैसे शार्प से काटा जा रहा है. अरे बाप रे, और उसको तो देखो, वो लोगों को तो गरम गरम रेत पे चलाया जा रहा है. अरे बाप रे. So what was that?
It was a punished place.
It was hell.
Yes, they were being punished of their sin.
फिर थोड़े बाप रे, ये तो कितना खतरनाक पनिशमेंट दे रहे सबको.
And that is Ravan's fault.
Yes. और फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं, फिर देखते हैं, अरे वाह, ये लोग तो देखो कितने मजे कर रहे हैं. So beautiful gardens, beautiful landscape.
Ma'am, is there this picture in another slide?
And what was that? No. So what was that? That is heaven. तो उसने hell भी देखा, उसने heaven भी देखा. अरे कितने मजे कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. And then he calls, Yamraj, you come, I want to fight with you.
Ma'am, who is flying? That is Yamaraj, or who is in the chariot? That is Ramaraj.
One who is flying is Ravana.
He has superpower.
So then Ramaraj और Ravana में ये युद्ध होता है. Both of them are, fighting, giving a tough fight to each other. एकदम बिल्कुल जोरों शोरों से फाइट होती है, थंडरबोल्ट वाली फाइट होती है. Then now Yamraj is about to defeat Ravana. Okay, listen very carefully. अभी यमराज रावणा को हराने वाले हैं. तभी क्या होता है, ब्रह्मा जी आते हैं. ब्रह्मा जी यमराज के पास आते हैं और बोलते हैं, wait, hold on. देखिए, I have given him a boon. मैंने उसको एक वरदान दिया है कि he will not be killed by any demigods, right? तो आप उसको प्लीज मारना नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है, तो मैं उसको नहीं मारता हूँ, right? Just to respect your boon, I will not kill him. So then यमराज जी उसको छोड़ देते हैं. And then Ravana feels, yay, I won.
And he feels that he has won, that I'm the
Yes,
most powerful being in the
yes.
demigods, god.
Means that Yamraj.
Mataji, Narada plays a trick on Ravana because Ravana beats the whole earth and kills everybody. That's why Narada thinks away.
Yes, yes.
And this is called bad manner.
Yes. Right. So that is how फिर यमराज को लगता है देख जाने दो छोड़ा भी क्या
Yeah,
करेगा?
he's actually a
मैं
fool.
जीत
He's
गया।
taking risks. He's taking a risk of being killed.
Happy that I won.
Okay, so रावणा ने क्या किया? एंटायर लाइफ, अपने एंटायर लाइफ में ही ओनली अक्यूमुलेटेड सिन, सिर्फ पाप 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 करते गया। इतना इंटेलिजेंट था, इतना नॉलेज था, लेकिन क्या किया? सिर्फ पाप करते गया। राइट? So now that we have intelligence, we have knowledge, right? We should chant, that we should read the stories of Krishna, we should attend all the classes sincerely. आपको ये सब पता है। अगर आप ये सब नहीं करते हो तो आप कौन हो? रावणा। अगर आप माता पिता का नहीं सुनते हो, अपने मम्मी डैडी का नहीं सुनते हो,
रावणा।
अच्छी पढ़ाई नहीं करते हो, तो आप कौन है?
Good.
Okay, so now let us move ahead. So see what all things we do. Speaking lies, झूठ बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, कभी कभी झूठ बोलते हैं हम लोग, छुप के मोबाइल देखते हैं हम लोग। मम्मी बोलती है अभी चलो नो मोबाइल नहीं,
सोने का टाइम हो गया है,
सोने के टाइम हो गया, पढ़ाई का टाइम हो गया, स्कूल का टाइम हो गया, लेकिन हमको मोबाइल चाहिए। बहुत खाना है, ये खाना है, वो खाना है।
Very wrong manner. One eating other. Sorry.
अपने छोटे भैया को या छोटे दीदी को, जो भी है, ये ना, fighting, bad manners, like Keshav is saying, not listening to your parents, shouting at your parents. हम ये सब करते हैं, है ना, हम सब ये करते हैं।
And this is very wrong thing.
Yes, we do wrong things. So ये thing से क्या होगा? Not bad. We are becoming Ravana in the house, right? We are Ravanas in the house.
and we are hurting.
Yes. So come on, tell me. Should we accumulate sins or blessings? Come on, option A,
Option B. Option B.
Very nice.
Option B.
Very good.
Are we doing the quiz now?
Okay, come on. No. So we have a discussion today. Who is behaving as Ravana? Option A, who is killing animals for meat eating?
Option A.
Option A.
Option A. Option A.
Option A.
Option B.
Acha, you can put it in the chat box, okay? I will enable the chat.
It's too hard.
Mataji, can you also enable the chat box?
I'm enabling the chat box. Okay, very nice. Okay, come on. Now don't answer, okay? Put it in the chat box. Come on. Who is behaving as Ravana? Option A. Option B. Put it in the chat box. Oh, very nice. Aradhya, Shubhashri, Kabir, Aditya, Rakshita. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Option B.
Mataji, somebody sends A.
Who sent A, is it?
Yes, somebody was sending A.
Oh, I'm all saying. No. Everybody is sending B.
Oh.
No, Nityangi had sent A. So maybe by mistake she would have sent A.
And A is good manner.
A is good manners. Very nice. Now, next one. Who is behaving as Ravana?
A.
Fighting with
Right. Very nice. Very good, Nityangi, Shrihan, Aditya, Nikita. Very nice. Very good. Come on. Next log question. Who is behaving as Ravana? Option A or option B?
B.
Option A.
Very nice. Mahir, Tisha, Aradhya.
No, ma'am, it's not option A, it's option B.
Yes, obviously. Option B. Option B is Ravana. Option A is good manners. Option B is bad manners. Next question. Who is behaving as Ravana? Option
A.
Yes, smoking, drinking, very bad habit. Subhashri, Mahir, Shrihan. Very good. Very nice. Now you have to tell me, okay, quickly. Okay, to question to all of you. You have to tell me what activities make us behave like a Ravana. I will just type.
Telling lies, shouting at us,
Like we
Like
in front.
or in a hiding
Brother.
shouting at our parents,
Wait. Raise your hand.
Lies. Speaking
Yes.
lies.
You are speaking lies. Okay. Yes, Subhashri.
hiding something from parents, not listening to parents.
Very nice. Not.
And
Mataji,
Mataji,
Yes,
and
Keshav.
disobeying parents.
Keshav.
yes, ma'am. Beating your parents and beating with brother and sister.
Beating your brother and sister. Very nice. Come on. Who is the next? Aditya.
Mataji, fighting with brothers and friends.
Parting. Parting is okay till such time you are offering.
Mataji, fighting.
Fighting. Okay. Fighting. Your brother and sister. Okay. Brother and sister. Come on.
Mataji, unnecessary mother and father.
Sorry.
Mother and unnecessary beating your mother. Unnecessary backhanding your mother and father.
Mataji,
Accusing to others,
your mother and father. Okay, very nice. What else?
abusing to others.
Abusing others. Very good. Abusing others.
Mataji,
Yes.
doing bad things. Use others for doing bad things.
Use others. Doing bad thing. Very nice. Very good. तो आपको सब पता है कि अभी ये क्या क्या नहीं करना है. Very nice. Very nice. Now.
Devi, you are making other people like Ravana only.
Now. Next thing. What will take us closer to Krishna? Raise your hand.
Japamala every day.
Chanting.
To do Japamala.
And Mataji, I will tell. Mataji, offering bhoga to Lord. Offering bhoga. Reading Bhagavad Gita.
Reading Bhagavad Gita.
Offering bhoga.
Okay.
Reading Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. Offering Lord.
Don't, if I mute, don't unmute. Okay.
Doing Kirtan will tell.
Don't mute. Don't unmute. Hold on.
Offering bhoga to Lord.
I will call your names.
Mataji.
Ma'am, doing Kirtan. Classes. Ma'am, attend classes of
I am
Krishna.
not going to write anything. If you have to be quiet. I will call out names. I see hands raised. Okay. Yes, Aditya. I will call out names.
Mataji, we should offer the things we brought to Lord.
Offer things we got. Okay, come on. So now Aditya, your chance is done. I will go to Keshav. Come on. Offering things to Krishna.
Ma'am, I will tell. To love to Krishna. Love to Krishna.
Love Krishna. Very nice. Love Krishna. Yes, Gautam.
Mataji.
Yes.
Do chanting.
Chanting हो गया बेटा.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, hold, raise. Don't mute. Don't
Offering prasad.
Offering होगा हो गया.
Mataji, we read Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam.
So I will call out your names. Okay.
Doing bhakti to Krishna.
I said don't unmute. Bhagavatam. Okay. Yes, Kabir.
Mataji.
Doing Kirtan.
Very nice. Doing Kirtan. Very good. Yes, Shubhashri. Come on. Shubhashri. Shrihan, yes.
Ma'am, chanting Krishna songs.
Singing Krishna song. Very nice. Singing Krishna songs.
Ma'am,
Yes, Shrihan.
Ma'am, respecting elders, touching mother and fathers.
Yes. Respecting elders. Very nice. Yes, Dakshita.
We have to help mother and father.
You have to.
Help our elders in doing stuff.
Helping everyone. Very nice.
To
Helping.
study, ma'am. To study.
Helping. Yes, yes. Studying तो करना ही है बाबा. Studying तो करना ही है. Okay. Study nicely. Don't harass your parents.
And what else you can do? Offering puja, offering flowers,
Doing puja. Yes.
observing Krishna.
Offering flowers. Very nice. So now it is very clear that now I am
Visiting
very much
Krishna
sure.
temples and visiting Krishna temples.
Yes, very important. Very important. Visiting temple.
Mataji, you missed my chance.
Yes, yes. Okay. Yes, Swara. Tell me.
Doing bhakti to Krishna.
Yes, doing bhakti.
Mataji, one is also there. Mataji, we should also sing glory for the God.
Yes, so that is then a singing kirtan, singing Krishna song.
I'm done with that. Mataji.
Ma'am, I have another point.
Sorry. Yes.
Ma'am, offering to Gomata.
Yes, very nice. Offering respects to Gomata.
And offering puja also.
Yes, offering respects, puja to Gomata. Very nice.
And offering bhoga also. Offering.
You will give her something to eat, no?
Offering, ma'am, we can give offering like grass, everything.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes. So very nice. So now I am very much sure that all these kids are not going to behave like Ravana at home. You are going to listen to your parents.
Can you take like this? Can you take like a video? Can you do like this? And you can ask our parents every day, are we behaving like Ravana at home?
Yes.
माताजी,
You can ask every day.
हम नमामेश्वरम भी बोल सकते हैं. दामोदर अष्टकम.
Prayers. Offering prayers.
Doing Ekadashi fasting also every day.
Prayers. Very nice.
Following Ekadashi fast.
Doing Ekadashi. Very good. Very nice.
Mataji also vrat. Ekadashi vrat.
Mataji, doing good things.
Going on Jagannath Rath Yatra.
Yes, attending Jagannath Yatra. Yes, Keshav.
Worship Krishna. I cannot see the screen, only black.
Black is it?
No way, ma'am. It's not black.
Okay, so now
It is like some error that's black patches.
hold on. तो अभी मुझे सबको पता है. I know everyone that you are going to respect your parents, listen to them, study nicely, chant every day, offer puja and flowers and bhoga to Krishna. Okay, इतना सब तो आप लोग करने वाले. Then you will not be behaving like a Ravana. Otherwise, you are like a Ravana.
Ma'am.
One head, big intelligence, but no brain.
Mataji, is there something else, Mataji? Is there a quiz?
No. So we are done. So in spite of having intelligence, we still behave like Ravana. So now I know all of you are not going to behave like Ravana. You are going to be
Mataji, doing good things.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so very nice.
Something.
We end our class here.